Thank you very much.
After we have expressed our heartfelt gratitude to our parents for the unconditional love and unparalleled support they give us, we would also love to hear their response.
To give a message of response, may we hear from our parent representative, Dr. Bryant S. Arante.
Thank you, Liana and Erica. To our respected faculty and staff of Philippine School Bahrain, and to our devoted parents who are here, guardians, friends, visitors, and soon-to-be graduating students. A wonderful and blessed afternoon to all of you. It is an honor to speak on behalf of all parents today. Speaking not only for myself, but also for the mothers, fathers, and guardians who have walked alongside their children on this journey. They say it takes a village to raise a child. Today, that village is in front of us. It is made up of parents, teachers, friends, and each one playing an important role in shaping who our children are today. Let me begin by expressing my deepest thanks to the teachers and staff. I speak not only as a parent, but as an educator myself. I understand the weight you carry, the lesson plans, assessments, the countless papers to check, but beyond that, the silent responsibilities. The moment when you go beyond your role to be a second parent, this day is not only for parents, it is for you too. You don't just teach, you build lives. And now, as your students prepare to take their next step, you've guided, supported, and loved like your own is never easy. But please know this, the impact you've made will stay for them for the rest of their lives. And that we say thank you and deeply and sincerely. To the Philippine School Bahrain, thank you for raising a competent and responsible individuals. I can speak from the experience, seeing these values reflected in my own children, who have grown with PhD over the years. My son Brian spent his formative years walking the halls of PhD. He left Bahrain carrying with him not just knowledge, but the four values that define this institution: competence, creativity, commitment, and compassion. Those values now live in his actions and how he treats others and in how he moves through the world. And today, I look at my daughter Brienne. So thoughtful, driven, and full of heart. And I know it is because of the home the Philippine School Bahrain has been to her. The place that teaches not just subject but life. Not just excellence but empathy. To our dear soon-to-be graduates, congratulations. As graduation day nears, the culmination of all your hard work and effort draw near as well. Your sleepless nights, quizzes, challenging projects, and even tears finally lead to something beautiful. Speaking as a parent, I have seen up close the weight that comes from being a grade 12 student. I've seen my daughter Brienne working late at night, pouring her heart into every project, stressing over deadlines, yet still managing to show up every day with perseverance. I know this is just a single experience. Every student here has faced their own challenges. And all of you push through, that effort deserves to be recognized. But let me also say this, no matter how life takes you, your grades doesn't define you. They are part of your story, yes, but not as the whole story. What matters more is your heart, your kindness, your ability to treat others with respect. Because that, not your medals or your rank, is what will carry you through life. So thank you. Thank you for recognizing the hard work of your parents, not just through words, but through the efforts you've shown us today. To say I am proud would not even begin to describe how I truly feel. And to my fellow parents, the success of all our hard work and sacrifices is nearing. I see you, and I know the mothers who rise before the sun, preparing lunches and uniforms. I know the fathers who drop their children off at school, adjusting their schedules to be there, even for a quick goodbye. I see the single parents doing it all, juggling work at home and with unbelievable strength. I see the parents who provide the work tirelessly, those who do anything it takes to make ends meet. Different families face different struggles in life, but still we show up. We endure. We keep going. Not for recognition, but for our children. This is what Gratitude Day is all about. Looking around and realizing that none of this was done alone. Behind every graduate is a village, a team, a family. And for every moment, every lesson, every silent act of love, we are grateful. So once again, from one father, one teacher, and one member of this PSD family, thank you. Thank you for shaping lives. Thank you for believing in the potential on every child. And to our graduates, soon to be, fly high, stay grounded, and never forget where you began. Above all, to God be the glory for every strength He gave us, for every answered prayer, for every door He opened. He gave thanks. May He continue to guide each of you as you step into the next chapter of your lives. Maraming salamat and congratulations, Philippine School, Bahrain Class of 2025.
Thank you so much, Dr. Arante, for your warm and heartful message.
This gratitude program will not be complete without giving thanks to our beloved alma mater, whose purpose is to nurture